Um, just a little video to show what I've been up to. This is a voice module with an Arduino board, and it's an Arduino Pro Mini, 16 megahertz, and got an amplifier here. It's the LM, it's the same from the Mega Sound. There's a regulator here. And that's basically it. This also uses one of these SD card modules that you can buy on eBay, very cheap. So we can put a Mega Sound board, or in this case the ArduSound board, very cheap, and I'm trying to do it in a way that will be easy for everybody to build one. So this is my first prototype. This uses everything in one board. I will be posting details as soon as I have everything documented. There are some resistors under the Arduino. This uses serial communication. Only 2 lines. This is development for Mike, of course. Only 2 lines connected to the radio. No more LCD lines. This is the throttle trim switches at the moment. I still didn't see the state of my radio. I still didn't connect the trims to the board. This is just a prototype. But basically everything is working, and that's why I decided to just make a little video to show you what I'm up to. And I'm going also to build a board, or 2 boards instead of 1, try to fit everything in the 9XR Pro, because there's not much space in there and people have really problems to install anything in there. So I'm going to try to make a board with only the Arduino, and another one with the regulator and the amplifier. If that's still not possible to fit, I will make a version with 3 boards, which is the power only and backlight only in one board, Arduino on another, and the amplifier on another one. Then you can split the boards in the radio, and probably can find place for the individual boards, and probably then just have to connect them together. Another thing, I got an FTDI here, and the FTDI can stay inside the radio. No problem. This is working. I can do all operations. We can do backup models and restore models between the radio and the SD card on the soundboard, and between the SD card and soundboard and the computer. And we use the FTDI for that. This can stay inside the radio and just connect the USB cable to it when you want to connect it to the PC. You can also just flash the firmware and everything just using this connection. So I'm going to show you now this working. Thank you so much to Mike for being very, very, very patient with me, and for helping me to do this. Only with his help this is possible, obviously. And I would like to thank Mike really, really, really so much. It works like this.
Welcome to ER9X.
As you can see, it's fixed.
Start 10 minutes.
All working. Backlight. Restore a model, or back up a model. Let's back up one here. Back up. Done.
10 minutes.
Restore a model to an empty slot. Restore. We have to choose which one. This is the models there on the SD card. This is the one we just backed up here. Now I'm gonna restore this model 13, for example. Press restoring and restore. You can see the
10 minutes.
model is there. This is really, really wonderful. To connect to the computer, just through serial, just go to EP here and burn serial. The COM is wrong and the COM port is not here, so I will have to restart EP. Just restart here. Of course, wrong USB connected. Okay, now we can start EP again. Come on, computer slow. Now go here. Okay. For that, we need to put the radio in bootloader mode. Just hold two trims, horizontal trims towards the center and turn the radio on. In bootloader mode, as you can see. We can also flash the radio just like this in bootloader mode. So now just go list models. You can see all the models are on the SD card are there. You can just receive the models. For example, this model 13, I don't have it. Just go here, receive. Model was received. Now you can see there. If you go browse, we can just delete it. Delete it, disappeared. You can see it's not there, model 13 anymore. Just go browse. The model 13 that we backed up is here. We can just send it up again to the, because just hit sending, and list models, and there is model 13 again. Wonderful. So as you can see, all this is working. You will be able to build something like this. This is the prototype, but you can see this is not that difficult. It uses only a piece of strip board, Arduino, and through-hole components. So stay tuned.